Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today, I am going to show you how to make a CV in Microsoft 365. As we have talked about in previous videos, Microsoft 365 is only like, we could call it like Epic Games. Epic Games is a launcher where you find games. The same thing goes for Microsoft 365. Within the Microsoft 365, you will find a lot of apps. One of them is basically called Microsoft Word document. Within this document, guys, in here, using this interface, you will be actually able to create CV. Let me show you how to do that. First, you will need to add a frame, for example. So I'm going to add for now a picture, or basically I'm going to add a square that is going to work for the moment as a picture. So to add an object, you can either draw an object, for example, you can either design, but I'm going to insert here. Let's go to Smart Art. There is icons, there is shapes. Let's choose shape, and let's imagine for once that this has the picture of us. So I'm going to move right here, and I'm going to put, for example, name, uh, like family or date of birth, and here I'm going to write down phone number. So these are the necessary informations that could be necessary for someone to have. So I'm going to add here two dots. Same thing goes here. Same thing goes right over here. We could add like tab here, tab, move this, move that, and let's tab like this, and here another tab. So they are aligned. We can write down our names right here and do whatever we want. Now I'm going to insert another shape, and it's going to be a line. It's going to be separating the page. I'm going to keep it like this, and this is our line, which is in the middle, and here we go. Here, for example, I'm going to write down a description. Um, description. So it's gonna be a text, and it's gonna be, this is like a title. So I'm gonna make it bigger. So I'm gonna make it like this, and here it's text. Then I'm gonna simply just copy this and redo it many times. And as you can see, this is gonna work as our separator between things. So I'm gonna copy, paste, and let me just remove these three, and you can continue it and do it the way you want it. So here we have description. Here we have, for example, let's call it experience. And here we have like languages. And simply what you need to do, fulfill each one of these the way you want them. And simply once you did that, you will have a good CV. Just fulfill them with your experiences, the date, put it here, the languages that you speak, and all the things that could fulfill a CV. So this is very simple, very easy. Once you finish it, click on Control S, File, Save As, and export it as PDF or Word, depending on what you want, so we can print it and send it to companies. That was it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.